In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your base currency in the tax and financial information section. This is a simple change that makes a big difference because your base currency determines how amounts, reports, and taxes are displayed across your account. Getting it right helps keep your finances consistent and easier to understand. First, head to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon and sits in the main navigation panel. If you're working on a smaller screen, you might need to expand the sidebar to see it clearly. Take a moment to make sure you're in the main account settings, not just profile or notification options. Next, look for the section labeled Tax and Financial Information and click on it. This area is dedicated to financial preferences and compliance-related details, and it's the right place to change your currency. Don't worry if the wording varies slightly. What you're looking for is the section that controls tax and finance settings. After you click, give the page a moment to load. You might see a spinner or a brief delay. It's best to wait until everything finishes loading before you make any changes to avoid saving incomplete settings. If the page seems to take longer than usual, a quick refresh after a few seconds can help, but only do that before you start making edits. Now you'll see the option to choose a base currency. This is typically presented as a drop-down list with standard currency codes and names, like USD, EUR, or GBP. Pick the currency you use for most of your accounting, invoices, or reports. It's a good idea to choose the currency that aligns with your primary business location or where you file your taxes. Before you move on, double-check your choice, as switching currencies later may affect how totals are displayed or how historical data is interpreted. Once you've selected the correct currency, scroll to the bottom or look for the Save Changes button and click it. Give it a moment to apply the update and watch for a confirmation message indicating the changes were saved successfully. If you don't see a confirmation, try clicking Save Changes one more time. To be sure everything is set, you can briefly navigate away and come back to the Tax and Financial Information section to confirm your base currency is now what you selected. And that's it! Your base currency is set and your financial data will now display consistently across your account.